Proper ventilation plays a major role in keeping a home comfortable, healthy, and energy efficient. In a place like Austin, where warm temperatures and humidity are common for much of the year, effective airflow can make a noticeable difference in indoor comfort. Casement windows are widely recognized for their superior ventilation capabilities, making them a smart choice for homeowners looking to improve air circulation throughout their living spaces. Why ventilation matters in Austin. Homes in Austin often rely heavily on air conditioning, especially during warmer months. Without proper ventilation, indoor air can feel stagnant, warm, and uncomfortable. Poor airflow may also allow humidity to build up, affecting air quality and overall comfort. Casement windows offer a practical solution by promoting continuous airflow, helping homeowners enjoy fresher air while reducing reliance on cooling systems. How casement windows work. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward using a crank mechanism. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows, casement windows open fully, creating a wide opening that allows maximum airflow. This design allows casement windows to capture breezes more effectively, directing fresh air into the home and pushing stale air out. Superior airflow compared to other window styles. Because casement windows open outward, they act like a funnel for passing breezes. Even light winds can be directed indoors, improving circulation. For Austin homes, this means better airflow during mornings, evenings, and mild weather days when opening windows is more comfortable than running air conditioning. Improved cross-ventilation. Casement windows are especially effective when placed strategically throughout the home. Installing them on opposite sides of a room or home creates cross-ventilation, allowing air to flow freely through living spaces. Austin homeowners can use this advantage to cool down rooms naturally and improve indoor air freshness. Ventilation without compromising security. Casement windows can be opened partially while still maintaining a level of security. Their crank operation allows homeowners to control how much the window opens, and strong locking systems keep the window secure when closed. For Austin residents, this balance between ventilation and safety adds peace of mind. Enhanced comfort and energy efficiency. Improved ventilation helps regulate indoor temperatures by allowing warm air to escape and cooler air to enter. This reduces the workload on cooling systems and can lead to lower energy bills. In Austin homes, casement windows help maintain comfort without sacrificing efficiency. Better indoor air quality. Fresh airflow helps remove indoor pollutants, odors, and excess moisture. Casement windows allow homeowners to refresh indoor air more effectively, creating a healthier living environment. This is especially beneficial in kitchens, bathrooms, and living areas throughout Austin homes. A smart ventilation choice for Austin homes. Casement windows offer unmatched ventilation performance thanks to their full opening design and ability to capture breezes. For Austin homeowners seeking improved airflow, comfort, and energy efficiency, casement windows provide a reliable and effective solution that enhances everyday living.